The Egyptians you see today, you will never see again. See how the Lord protects you.
Sometimes in life, when your enemies are chasing you, you cannot move forward because there are so many obstacles before you. You can't go back because your enemies are running after you. In times like this, do not be discouraged. Have faith in God. As He did for Moses and the Israelites, He shall do the same for you. Look at how God paved way for Moses and the Israelites. With God, all things are possible. What are the problems? Is it promise and fail? Sickness? Premature death? Marriage problems? Money matters? Inconvenience in your work? Sorrow? Sadness? Spiritual warfare? Problems in the family? My dear one in Christ, God is always there to make a way for you through these problems. You shall walk through these problems without being hurt. God is always there to make a way where there seems to be no way. Just trust in Him and He shall make a way, as He did for Moses and the Israelites. You are near to your victory. Do not be discouraged. Pray to God. Ask God. Tell Him your problems. Tell Him. Tell Him. He loves you. Do not be discouraged. Encourage yourself. Pray to God, for He wants to hear from you what your problems are. He knows your problems, yet He wants you to voice it out. Ask Him to make a way for you. You shall get there. Believe in yourself. Trust in God. May God bless you. May God guide you. May God be your strength in this world. May He protect you. May He pave way for you. May He shower His blessings upon you. Amen.